might be a mistake. I don't know if this is going to work.
It has to work.
But I mean, what if we get arrested?
Then we go to jail. But the others are lined up to take our place.
Look, I'm not sure it's worth all this. I hear that they hurt you pretty bad when they take you to jail. And they've been detaining protesters just long enough for them to get kicked out of school. Man, I'm the first person in my family to go to college. I left my town promising that I would make something of myself. You know, be somebody when I came back so that I could make things better for my mama. And it would break her heart if I got kicked out of school for protesting. Look, I'm with y'all in spirit, but it's just too risky. If I get arrested, I won't be able to hold my head up.
Hold your head up? But you can hold your head up when you walk into a place of business and they act like they don't see you, when they discriminate against you or refuse you service because of the color of your skin. This is a non-violent way of standing up for what we know is right.